Good morning and welcome to Set Phasers on the Sun by Set Phasers on Stun by Princey Lala for Dr. Aaron Judy. I want to start this off by saying uh, thank you for the extra time. Set Phasers talks about how machine and programming and faulty techniques cause people and property pain. That being said, in this case, what happened? Ray Cox was supposed to receive a low dose of radiation, the last of his treatment for the cancerous tissue removal. Due to untested and latent machine programming fault, it gave him a full burst of the laser, causing fatal wounds. He lost his life, even though he was jokingly saying, Captain Kirk forgot to set the machine gun on stun. It gave him a full blast of those 20,000 volts of laser radiation and killed him. The operator and the hospital did not know that the 8-second time sequence of specific keystrokes would result in the machine reverting to a full 100% of the beam capacity. Ray lost his life because the programmers and the designers did not test these sequence of keystrokes. It probably changed how the high and low energy consumer laser machines are programmed. This event probably changed it. It also changed certification criteria and the use of laser machines on humans in hospital and for medical treatment. If the basic programming methods were followed, the sequence of keys would have been apparent to the coders. They didn't do so, obviously, in this case. They could have also then incorporated the known fault or a feature and trained for it and required certifications to know that if they were to hit a full 100% beam and then clear it out, hit the escape key, put the reduced beam requirement E, for example, instead of the X, and then hit enter. If these within 8 seconds, it would have caused the machine to revert to full 100%. Had they known this, had they tested this feature, they could have prevented this entire mishap. Also, it would have helped it would have helped Ray to live his life and just be normal. Machine programming can be lethal if not tested for every keystroke. When working with machines, it is imperative that programming objectives are measured as a direct result of every operational sequence. Put the safety first mindset. That's all, folks. Thank you.